The night is black, and the forest has no end. 1,000,000 people thread it in 1,000,000 ways. We have trysts to keep in the darkness, but where or with whom, of that we are unaware. But we have this faith, that a lifetime's bliss will appear any minute, with a smile upon its lips. Scents, touches, sounds, snatches of songs brush us, pass us, give us delightful shocks. Then, peradventure, there's a flash of lightning. Whomever I see that instant I fall in love with. I call that person and cry, this life is blessed. For your sake such miles have I traversed. All those others who came close and moved off in the darkness, I don't know if they exist or not. If you enjoyed this poem, then make sure to press the like button and share it with those people who you think may also enjoy it. For more classic poems read for you, subscribe to the channel and find your new favourite poem.